If you drive an older VW Polo, you know that tired, sticky gear knob is probably the first thing that needs replacing. This simple upgrade promises to completely revitalize your interior and your shifting experience. We are looking at the new 5-speed gear shift knob and boot, specifically designed for the Polo 9N and 9N2 GTI models, spanning 2002 through 2010. Compatibility here is absolutely key, and this unit nails the OEM fitment, ensuring a perfect match for your car styling needs. The first thing you notice is the feel. The manufacturer engineered this for comfort, and it shows. It's ergonomically crafted with a smooth, precision-engineered design that makes gear transitions feel effortless. For those long commutes or spirited drives, the comfortable grip and soft-touch, non-slip surface really help reduce strain. It's a massive improvement over the stock unit that has likely seen better days. Beyond comfort, the materials are top-notch. They claim high-quality, durable, and scratch-resistant construction, and holding it, you believe it. This isn't some cheap plastic replacement. It feels robust and built to last the life of the car. You get the choice between the sleek gray or black options, instantly elevating the car's interior aesthetic. Performance-wise, while a knob doesn't change the transmission itself, the improved grip and ergonomic contour certainly enhance driving control, making those 5-speed shifts feel crisp and accurate. It's engineered for responsive performance, ensuring confidence in every drive. Installation is designed to be easy, making this a hassle-free upgrade that merges practicality with modern flair. This shift knob is a functional accessory that truly enhances both the performance feel and the visual appeal of your older Polo.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.